So a neighbor that lives down the trail has this little recreational cabin that contacted us and let us know that he cut down some trees and we were welcome to have it for firewood. It's a huge blessing, so thank you, bud. You know who you are. Yeah, so we need a head start on getting some firewood this year anyway, so this helps a lot. Brought the girls with us because they like going out, cruising around, huh? As always, Joe's working, I'm vlogging. Except for mysteriously, this sled got filled by somebody. What you doing, kid? Hey, you still have your earplugs in? Yeah, she's riding on the loud machine with Uncle Joe. All right, Joe is guessing at where the tree is gonna fall, setting up the GoPro. He's pretty good at this. He's got a pretty good idea, but he might schmuck the GoPro. Who knows?
I'm setting the tripod up really narrow so if it knocks it over, it won't bend it.
He's cut his wedge. It does have a little twist to it, and then we'll manipulate it with wedges and get it to fall right where he wants it. You know, Joe and I grew up in the Rocky Mountains of Montana, learning from our dad, our oldest brother, and many other respected loggers. We're not professionals, but Joe takes great care and great pride in being safe and following these trees. So, you know, we don't want something to take all the fun out of it.
It's something we have to take extra care on as well because how far remote we live. It's not just a quick 911 call. I mean, we got to be really careful. Every swing of the axe, every motion with the chainsaw, you know, it's just working smart, stopping, thinking about what you're going to do and measuring every movement. So
yeah, if every movement is calculated, you prevent mistakes and you prevent accidents. So let's go have some fun and cut this tree down.
All right, I'm going to start the GoPro.
Look at all these woodpecker houses in this old birch tree. One there. 3 of them up there. Okay, I'm gonna move down here. We had to get rid of that dead birch snag there to make sure we could safely fall this one where we wanted it. All right, let's get ready to fall this tree. All right, so your tree fell about 9 feet from the tripod?
7, 8 feet.
Not too shabby. That's how it's done.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We got a good load of wood today. The snow is still hard, so we can get home really easy. We're gonna call it a day. Please like this video if you want, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with us.
adding to our wood pile. This is all the wood that we've gathered without getting it on video.
It's a lot of work, but it's fun work. Some people might think I'm crazy, but I think it's fun.
All right, signing off again. Bye. All right, we got one machine parked there, one parked there out of the way. I think we're gonna follow them straight that way. We'll cut this part out. Now, don't embarrass me.
Bramante brothers.